Okay guys, this is the next build I'm doing. I'm doing the Ethanol Plant Series. So the first one I'm doing is the corn unloading and storage sheds. So we'll go ahead and do it. Okay guys, these are all the parts out of the corn unloading and storage sheds. Obviously we have all the side panels, the roof, some bases, more bases, part of the small shed, and glass for the windows, and more walls and the roof. So I'll start cutting the pieces off, the sprues, and I'll start gluing them. And also these are the instructions on how to put it all together. So I'll go ahead now and glue it. Okay guys, I've done the little shed inside the shed, or the little office if you want to call it. Now this will go on the base like so. So I'll go ahead and do the next bit. Okay guys, for the corn unloading shed, I've now cleaned up the side walls, the long walls, and also the doors. The doors are optional, but I'm not too sure what I'm going to do with the doors yet. So I may use them, may not. And they will go around the base on that little shed. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to glue all the walls together, and then, because I've got to paint it first or after I glue it, before I stick it to the base. So the base will be a different colour. So I'll join the walls up and we'll see what she looks like. Okay guys, that's what the corn unloading shed looks like. Now the roof's obviously not stuck down, but that's what she looks like. So the little shed inside the big shed, or the office if you want to call it an office, then that will go on top of that base. And as I said before, I've still got the options of using the doors, but I'm still thinking which way to go. So that part's ready for painting. Alright guys, I'll carry on to the next part. Okay guys, that's what the corn unloading shed looks like now. I've just got to paint it. As you can see, it's still white, and it's still got the little shed in there, as you can see. I'll just zoom in there. Now the next one I'm doing is the storage shed. Now the base of the storage shed is all these interlock together. So it will go like, you glue it and it will, like the keyhole. So it'll go like so, and then This is the shed walls, which I just got to join or glue. Now the shed wall will join with joiners. There's grooves in here where these will sit up like so. Then the next shed will go like so. So they all join up that way. So I'll glue the storage shed all together and we'll see what she looks like. Okay guys, back on the storage shed. Now this is the roof. Now I have a spacer which the two roofs will join like so. And then the same with the far one. And then when I glue that and then I join the two roofs together, I have this other piece which is on a slight angle, which will glue like so, just to give me angle. So I'll go ahead and glue that and we'll see what she looks like. Okay guys, the corn unloading and storage sheds are nearly complete. Well, they're built up. I've just got to glue the roof. But before I do that, I've just got to paint it all. So I'll put this one up. The next one I'll show you when it's all painted. So far so good. And the roof vents I've got to also paint another colour, so depending on the colour the shed's going to be, you'll see in the next video. That's what she looks like on the box. And that's what she looks like there. So I'll go ahead and paint it and I'll get back to you guys. Thanks for watching.